Good morning. Today, we delve into an analysis of the economic consequences stemming from the 35% U.S. tariff on Canadian exports and jobs. Our focus is on understanding the specific impacts and broader implications for the Canadian economy, particularly as we look towards August 2025. It's important to clarify that this 35% tariff applies only to goods not covered by the CUSMA agreement. While 90% of Canadian exports to the U.S. are protected, the remaining 10% now face this significant duty. The most affected sectors include lumber, steel, aluminum, and certain automobiles that do not meet CUSMA requirements. We've observed a notable decline in the U.S. share of Canadian exports. Many businesses are finding CUSMA compliance difficult, especially those with complex supply chains. Consequently, companies are actively redirecting their exports to other international markets to mitigate the adverse effects of these tariffs. The tariffs have led to significant job losses across several sectors. Our analysis estimates over 18,000 jobs could be lost in 2025. The automotive and auto parts manufacturing, steel and aluminum production, and other manufacturing sectors are particularly affected, with a concentration of these losses in Ontario. The automotive industry has been particularly hard hit, accounting for 7,500 of the job losses. Parts manufacturing is severely impacted due to challenges in meeting CUSMA's regional content requirements. The industry is now focused on restructuring supply chains to increase North American content and adapt to the new trade landscape. The steel and aluminum sectors have also faced substantial challenges, with 4,000 jobs lost. These industries are grappling with both the 35% tariff and a separate 50% duty on certain products. Companies are actively exploring alternative markets in Europe and Asia to offset these trade barriers. Businesses are responding strategically to these pressures. Many are accelerating CUSMA compliance efforts and actively exploring new export markets beyond the U.S. Additionally, there's a strong focus on investing in automation and efficiency, alongside seeking government support to navigate these economic shifts. In summary, the tariff's impact is concentrated but severe, affecting over 18,000 jobs despite CUSMA protecting most exports. The short-term outlook suggests continued disruption. The path forward involves accelerating CUSMA compliance, diversifying export markets, and providing targeted government support for affected sectors to foster long-term recovery.
Thanks for watching. That's all for today's update. How do you think U.S. tariffs are affecting the Canadian economy? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth market analysis. See you next time.